Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. Today's video we're going to talk about a fragrance from the house of Catalina Herrera. It is 212 VIP Party Fever. I'm going to let you know if it's a good fragrance or not, or you should try it out. If you want to hear more about this, it's coming right up. This is 212 VIP Man Party Fever by House of Catalina Herrera. Box is pretty cool, different colors when you move it from like blue to pink to clear. I picked this up when I was at a duty-free shop when I landed from New York to London. I had like I think a 30-40 minute layover, so I looked at duty-free shop. So it's right next to our boarding where we board for our airport. So we were there looking and I saw this and I was like, oh man, I want to try this out. It smelled pretty good. The price was like $69 US money. Because I told him I wanted to pay US instead of paying the currency for euros. So not too bad. Smells pretty good, 100 ml. So I got it for like 70 bucks plus tax. Pretty nice presentation. The bottom has the batch to let you know it's official. And the batch code is 08381. Hope you guys can see that. If you can't, I apologize. Anyway, I'm going to put the box to the side here. And I'm going to show you the presentation. Here's the bottle. Catalina Herrera 212 Party Fever, Man Party Fever. Really nice. Like a chameleon colors. Magnetic cap. Really nice. The inside has some information. It has 100 ml. Made in Spain. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Magnetic cap is awesome. Catalina Herrera right here. And on the back of it, it has 212 VIP Man Party Fever. So it has a little bit of writing on both sides, which is nice. This bottle is awesome by itself. You know, just to have in your collection of fragrances, say, hey, look, I got this cool fragrance. Oh, this is awesome. Most people aren't going to have this fragrance. It's like that special limited edition, which I've been hearing it's a limited edition. The bottle looks awesome. The batch code stuff's on the bottom here. Information. Same batch code on the other one. Just a real nice presentation. I'll leave a link below if I can find the online site to buy it, to ship it to the USA. I'm not really sure if I can find one, but if I do, I'll leave a link below. If you guys heard about this fragrance, please let me know down below. Get right into it. So $69.99 I paid for it. And here's some of the notes for this fragrance here. It's a 2008. Has notes of, it's spicy, red apple, juniper berries, vetiver, cedar, musk, cannabis, geranium, tonka, and ginger. So with this fragrance here, when I first sprayed this fragrance, you know, I spray it. Really nice distribution too. With this fragrance, I get like that very fresh, citrusy kind of smell. It does have a little bit of spices in it. I get some of the red apple in it. I don't get the cannabis in it at all. I think that's more of a marketing campaign to say, oh, it has notes of cannabis. Oh, I'm gonna go buy it because I want to smell like that. For my nose, it does have no cannabis in it. I just want to let you guys know before you go out and say, oh, I want to buy this fragrance that has cannabis. It doesn't. I've tested it out several times and I haven't smelled it from the beginning, the middle, and the dry down. I haven't smelled it at all. I smelled other stuff like the musk, but I never smelled the cannabis. Before I get off track, the inside's pretty cool because it says limited edition. Right here, limited edition, limited edition. It's pretty cool. I like the fragrance, but let's get right to the negative. The negative right here, number one, is compliment factor. I got no comment for this fragrance here. I went up to people and asked them, did they like it? They said, yes, it's pleasant. But I've got no compliments wearing this fragrance at all. So compliment factor is downhill. Didn't get no compliments at all. It sucks. It's okay. We'll get to the positive. The positive, it's really nice. On my skin, I got about a good 2 hours of projection, which is really nice. Kind of like around the area. It's not beast mode. It's just like in your vicinity cloud. People will get whiffs of it. Let's talk about longevity. I got about a good 6 hours on my skin. Might be 7. You know, people can smell a little bit left of, put it to your nose like that. But I've got like 6 hours where I can smell it. After that, you got to keep your nose into it. Maybe get 7 hours, if that. But I got 6 hours of decent longevity on my skin. I like the fragrance myself. It smells good. I like the bottle by itself. So if I didn't like the fragrance, this bottle would still stay in my collection. Versatile. You can wear it all year round if you want, because the price tag isn't bad for $69. So $70 for a 100 ml bottle. Most fragrances are like $100 for a 100 ml bottle. So you can wear this all year round. This is a great fragrance if you want to go to the club. Very nice club fragrance. This is something that you can wear if you don't want to wear your Le Mans. You don't want to wear Dior Sauvage. You know, it's very nice if you don't want to wear Zara One and Victus Aqua, those type of fragrances. You can try this one out. Really nice for the club. When I do walk around in the heat and I'm sweating, it feels like it projects really nice on my skin. That's just my opinion. You have to try it out for yourself. But longevity is where it falls, where it's like I got about 6 hours. It falls with compliment factors too, so it didn't really work for me at all. So my rating is, I give it 2 stars. I can't give it 3 because it doesn't last that long on my skin. Projection is okay. 2 hours is pretty good, but it's just not beast mode projection where people it's not like a far beast mode. People walk by and say, oh, I smell that fragrance. So it's an okay fragrance. It's not the best, but it's okay. Do I like the fragrance? Yes. Do I love it? No. My girlfriend doesn't like it. She tried it. My brother didn't really like it. My brother's wife said she liked it, but it wasn't nothing special. So she likes Chanel Allure Edition Blanche more. So it tells you right there. So this is my review on VIP Men Party Fever by the house of Catalina Herrera. If you heard this fragrance, please leave a comment below. If you like this fragrance, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching my video. If you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxes, and free giveaways, you tuned to the right channel. All I ask you to do is to click the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon so when I upload new fragrance videos, you're the first one to get it through your YouTube feed. Until my next fragrance video, peace.